And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life.
Hi and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm doing a bit of editing. In fact, it's the Poland trip, and the Poland trip actually starts this weekend coming, so the first video will be out on Friday, and then we're going to make a slight change and move our Sunday slot to a Monday at 5 PM. So just going to do a small tweak, so that gives just a bit more time between the videos, a bit more in the middle. This weekend will be where we'll be prepping for the trip and getting ourselves down ready to the shuttle before the trip really starts in earnest. So hopefully you'll enjoy that one. As for what we've been up to recently, it's been a bit of a funny year, to be honest. We've cancelled a couple of trips. We've had a few things within the family to deal with and health issues in the family. It just all means it's got in the way of a few trips. We had to cancel the French trip to the Loire Valley. We've now pushed that back, hopefully into the autumn. So we didn't really get away much at the beginning of the year. We've just come back from a trip to visit family in Amsterdam, which was a nice week break. And we're going to go away for a few days in the next week or so to actually a campervan site just to breathe a bit and recharge the batteries. Whether I'll film that, I'll make a decision on that. But then hopefully, like I say, we'll be getting back out there into Europe, in France, and visiting the Loire Valley in the autumn. So that would be good. The other thing is, obviously, if you've got any questions about us, the channel, the island trip, our van life, anything at all, just drop it in the comments, because eventually we'll make another Q&A video, because we haven't done that for a while. So like I say, don't forget the new time, where we're doing a Friday video at 6:30 as normal, and then the second video will be at Monday at 5 PM. So if you like watching them both together, they're slightly shorter than one combined, but if you wanted to watch them together, you could watch them back to back, for instance. So that's another way of watching them. So we'll catch you hopefully this weekend coming.